Hi, I'm Van, founder of Finbotica. Today we will be demonstrating the Screeners module. A screener helps you quickly identify stocks based on specific criteria such as price, market capitalization, dividend yield, PE ratio, revenue growth, and other financial metrics that align with your investment strategy. Let's get started. To begin, log in to your Finbotica account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for a free account at finbotica.com. Upon login, navigate to the Screeners module. Here we will find a list of previously created screeners and their most recent run date. Select a screener and the results from that most recent run date will be displayed. To update the results, select the screener and click the Run button. To create a new screener, click on the Add button. Here we will be prompted for a screener name and criteria. For example, let's try to find stocks within the technology sector with a minimum market cap of $10 billion and a price to earnings ratio of between 1 and 20. Finally, click Add to save and run the screener. To perform further analysis on a screener result, either double-click on a result or select a result and click the Analysis button. In this video, you learned how to use the Screeners module in Finbotica. For more information on how you can automate your investing, visit finbotica.com. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Finbotica tips and tutorials on how to become a better investor.